The governments of Kaduna, Kogi and Zamfara states have dragged the federal government before the Supreme Court seeking an order restraining it from fully implementing the February 10 end date for the use of the old versions of the redesigned Naira note. In a motion expletive filed on their behalf by their lawyer, Abdul Hakim Uthman Mustafa SAN, the three northern states are urging the Apex Court to grant them an interim injunction stopping the federal government either by itself or acting through the CBN, the commercial banks or its agents from carrying out its plan of ending the time frame within which the now older versions of the 200, 500 and 1,000 denominations of the Naira may no longer be legal tender on February 10, 2023. The plaintiffs in the suit are the three Attorney General and Commissioners for Justice of the three states, while the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, is the sole respondent. The plaintiffs said that since the announcement of the new Naira note policy, there has been an acute shortage in the supply of the new Naira note in Kaduna, Kogi and Zamfara states, and that citizens who have dutifully deposited their old Naira notes have increasingly found it difficult and sometimes next to impossible to access new Naira notes to go about their daily activities. No date has been fixed for the hearing of the suit. 13 out of the 18 political parties in Nigeria have threatened to withdraw from the February 25 and March 11 general elections in Nigeria if the federal government further extends the deadline for the use of the old Naira notes beyond February 10. At a briefing by a coalition of chairmen of the political parties on Monday, the 13 parties commended President Muhammadu Buhari for redesigning the 200, 500 and 1,000 Naira notes, and that the party said that they wouldn't be interested in the elections if the new deadline of February 10, 2023 is shifted as demanded by some governors of the All Progressives Congress. The national chairman of the Action Alliance, Kenneth Udeze, who briefed journalists, also knocked the Kaduna, Kogi and Zamfara state governments for heading to the Supreme Court to get court injunction to extend the deadline for the validity of the three old notes.